As you can see, I've just taken a shower. We're getting bigger, guys. Today is gonna be a different day because we are hitting bench at 11:30 a.m. It's currently 10:43 a.m. We're gonna go to the gym with Vladimir and it's gonna be awesome. Yes, we got some pre-workout, some natural pre-workout here, and also some athletic vegan power. This is perfect for health. We're going to the gym with filming on the iPhone 5s. Guys, I know this might sound stupid and stuff, but like we're eating some canned ananas and some canned fuck, I forgot what it's called. I don't really have any carbs currently. I forgot to purchase some. Now this honestly might just make my whole mouth green, but it's packed full of nutrients and all what you're supposed to have in your body, and so it's worth everything, bro. Here it is, athletic vegan power. Go try it out. And the taste is so majestic as well. Like, shit, I just realized it's getting too late and I'm gonna We got the Apex Twin shirt on right here. Oh yeah. Damn. We have successfully made it. We're at the gym. It's time to hit bench with Vladimir. He's currently shitting in the toilet. Yo, Vladimir. Welcome to my YouTube vlog. Look, he's so big. It's like so big. We're gonna be filming our bench press. See you. Come on, Vladimir. Alright, we're about to do my sit. I'm gonna be doing 75. 75 kilos. Five reps. time for the Stairmaster. 20 minutes of Stairmaster. Let's go. Alright, we're 10 minutes in. We've done 20 minutes and I'm all wet. Holy shit, I'm actually like dripping right now. See this? Alright, it's time to go home. That's my baby. Not sponsored, by the way. Well, well, well. Look who I just spotted. You're going on YouTube, buddy. No, I'm not gonna. You're here to meet a 13-year-old girl. Sir, you're getting arrested. Alright, we got our... What the fuck is up with my hair? We got our scare tonight. Tonight's the night. This shit is so full, bro. So, we're back home. Some jam. Next up, we got the high protein scare. Some cottage cheese. Some ground beef and some bread right here. Let's not forget we also have some eggs and obviously we have some vegetables as well. So we got some strawberry jam. Haven't eaten this in a long time. It's so good. Put it on some white bread. At the end of the day, I actually did want to vlog way more, but the thing is I have 0 space on my phone left, so that's why I'm currently using the iPhone 5s. Yeah, even though I have a whole terabyte on that phone, I literally spent all its freaking no. I don't even like cottage cheese. Watch what I can do, bitch. Oh shit. I don't think y'all can ever do that. Anyways, look at this banger music I just discovered. I'm going outside because I want to make a video for TikTok, a new account of mine. It's gonna be all about fashion only, and this is gonna be the first fit. Yeah, boots. Holy fit. We're out here. It's a great vibe for a TikTok. Look. This here is what I call a beautiful spot. Look, we got our setup here. I mean, I have to learn how to like do it aesthetically, you know. But by all means, be creative, do stuff in life. Just don't sit around all day. Just go out. Chase your dreams, bro. I found a bottle of... What the fuck is even that? That's Russian or something. Yeah. A bottle of vodka, bro. Whatever. Just finished filming, and let's hope my content is gonna go viral on the new account. What an awesome... Fuck out of the way. What an awesome view. Anyways, we're going home, and we're gonna cook up some dinner. It's time to cook up dinner. My dad is cutting up some vegetables.
Oh, bye-bye.
And I'm gonna be making some ground beef and some eggs and cottage cheese and a carrot.
Yeah, look at that. Natural. Green.
My dad is vegan, guys.
All green.
We have officially put in the ground beef in here. Now it's time to get cooking ground beef. Woo-hoo! Yo, what the fuck is up, YouTube? Today we're making ground beef on a... Never mind. Yo! It's time to get out that seasoning of ours. I'm just gonna put some stuff that I know will make it taste at least good. Yeah. It literally smells like fire, like burning fire right now. There's nothing. Oh my god, that's what. What the fuck? It's getting ready. Gotta get our eggs as well to make sure we hit our protein with that cottage cheese. Oh yeah. Would you rather crack your eggs or my eggs? Oh shit. Hello? Was?
I'm post a YouTube video.
When am I gonna post my YouTube video?
Yeah.
Wait, can you show yourself?
What?
Get the fuck on my... Well, Vladimir called. When's the vlog finished? I haven't even started yet. It looks so majestic, guys. Guys, I have a carrot. Yeah, so we have a carrot right here, which we're gonna implement into our food, and hopefully it's gonna be tasty. Oh wow, what a beautiful, what a final product right here. We have some ground beef, eggs, cottage cheese, and a carrot. Creatine. Oh yeah. Multi-mineral. Oh wow. That's it for today. What can I say? We big. Anyways, Thanks for watching. I know it was quite boring, but if you like my vlogs, then keep watching, bitch. Thanks for watching though. See y'all in the next one. Peace the frick out, bitch. Stay in.